मैरिज और एजुकेशन, एक औरत के लिए इन दोनों में से विच इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट?
जब मैं कॉन्वेंट में थी ना, तो वहाँ पर माय प्रिंसिपल, शी वाज अ वेरी वाइज नन, सिस्टर बर्कमैन, उन्होंने मुझे बताया था ये।
She was also my
Yeah.
principal. I was in CJ.
एंड आई फील जो विजडम नन्स के पास होता है ना, वो एग्जाम्पलरी है, बिकॉज उन्होंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी और कुछ किया ही नहीं होता. दे स्पेंड देयर लाइव्स इन लर्निंग एंड टीचिंग, बिकॉज दे डोंट गेट मैरिड, दे डोंट हैव चिल्ड्रन, दे लिव अवे फ्रॉम देयर फैमिली, सो दे आर वेरी वाइज, बिकॉज देयर लाइव्स आर डेडिकेटेड टू वन थिंग, knowledge, learning and passing. So I remember उन्होंने मुझे कहा था when I was graduating and I was like a very smart, very intelligent student. तो और मैं बड़ी like celebrated थी कॉन्वेंट में. तो she said to me, the two most important decisions you will make in life are who you will marry and what you will become. So that's exactly what you were asking me, because your education leads to what you will become.
Yes.
अगर मैं अपनी बेटी से बात करूँ ना, तो I would say कि it is more important for you to first decide what you will become. Marriage to me now is secondary, because and I often, like, I have these discussions with my children, even though abhi to none of them is even close to marriageable ages, but I tell them कि your first priority, your first love affair, your first friendship has to be with yourself, right? And agar wo nahi hai na, all your relationships will suffer, because if you're not in love with yourself, how are you going to love a man or a woman? How are you going to love your children? How will you love your parents? If you're not your own best friend, your own caretaker, how will you take care of others? So I feel ये सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है what you will become. Education, I think in today's world is a little less important, because there are so many professions that don't need education, right? Like, I'm an entrepreneur, and even though I am very highly educated, but I didn't need to be. And so many other entrepreneurs that I interact with, that I work with, some of them are extremely successful, don't have even undergraduate degrees.
Yeah.
Some do, some don't. कुछ ने कोर्सेज किए, कुछ ने, majority के पास masters तो है ही नहीं ना. In the entrepreneurial world, they laugh on you if you have a masters, right? They're like, इसकी क्या जरूरत थी? So bachelor's is kind of where you go, and I have 2 masters. So on paper, तो अगर आप पुराने ज़माने की तरह देखो, I'm more successful, I'm more educated, but on paper maybe they're more successful because they're doing better, their businesses are growing faster. So मुझे लगता है कि अब education is not as important as just figuring out what you want to be, and then just dedicating your life to it. So if you want to be a singer, again, you don't really need an education, but you need hours of training, right? You need that commitment. If you want to be a writer, you don't really need an education, but again, you need hours of commitment to your craft. So before you get married to anyone, figure out कि आप कौन हो. अब पता है उसका नुकसान क्या है कि if you get married first and then you figure out later, let's say you get married at 18 and abhi you're not sure कि आपने क्या बनना है, and you decide कि your life's passion is to be a war reporter, तो वो शादी तो नहीं चलने वाली ना. If you got married to like a traditional businessman from Faisalabad, and आपने कहा, आप as you grew and discovered yourself, you like, मैंने तो war reporting करनी है, तो आप चली जाएं Palestine, तो that शादी is not going to work out, because a traditional businessman from. So I feel कि बहुत ज़रूरी है कि if you have figured it out early enough, like कुछ औरतों को 18 पे पता होता है कि हमने बेगम बनना है, great. Then you figure it out, sure, get married, but it's really important कि पहले figure out your direction.
Exactly. अपने career को choose करना is very important from beforehand, particularly just the kind of environment we are living in nowadays.